What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be giving a very important update on Algorand, so make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. And please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. No.
It's actually getting kind of crazy. We've more or less nailed Algorand 3 times in a row. This was Algorand in my previous video. I started projecting out a flag, and I said while price action starts to fill out, the RSI and stochastics will reset. Fast forward to now, and Algorand has filled out that flag perfectly, and the RSI had started to reset, and the stochastics have completely reset. And then prior to this, we had Algorand drawn in a bull flag 2 different times that broke up both times. And this bottom one right here, Algorand was trading at 13 cents. So had you guys taken that trade, you could have made up to 86% gains in a month. But I actually have some really exciting news, and this is for those of you guys that enjoy making gains in the crypto market. So I have officially launched a private Discord through Patreon. Now you can find the link on my YouTube page, but if you look at the options, we have an exclusive tier and we have a VIP tier, but there are so many benefits to joining this Discord. For example, you'll receive buy alerts, sell alerts, consideration alerts, which is when I am considering buying a crypto. So you will be able to get in even before I am able to get in. You can also see the current cryptos that I hold. And last but not least, I'll do portfolio reviews, project reviews, and I will even do trade setups. Just to show you guys what I mean, this is the Discord. And if you come over here to the trade setups, I wanted to have an example. So on December 31st, I posted HBAR, and I gave all the bullish indicators I was seeing and then the one bearish indicator. And as you can see, HBAR was trading at 8.5 cents. And this is HBAR currently. It broke out of the bull flag perfectly, and it broke out to over 10 cents. Now, I won't take up any more of your time with this. I just want to make sure that you understand this could give you a massive leg up on the competition, as you will be able to see live TA, and not just TA that I want to show you, but TA that you want to see, as again, you can request TA on projects. So if you guys are serious crypto investors, you might want to consider joining. But anyways, Algorand is currently trading at just under 24 cents. Its market cap is 1.9 billion, which ranks 47th among all cryptocurrencies. So Algorand is officially back in the top 50 cryptos, and its circulating supply is just over 8 billion out of a max supply of 10 billion, which is just over 80% in circulation. And then if you guys are looking to trade Algorand, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the 2 easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now we'll go ahead and take a look at some Algorand news. So this is the Algorand Foundation Twitter page, and they just reposted December 29th of 2023. Algorand governance is coming to AVAX with Algo. Algo is a cross-chain liquid staking product by Folks Finance powered by Wormhole Crypto. In partnership with Bank We Finance and Trader Joe, we've established 2 pools for Algo. Now this whole situation is really good to see. Realistically speaking, there are a lot of people who are extremely bullish on AVAX, and they think AVAX is going to be one of the top tier premier cryptos. So anytime you see an integration of this magnitude, it's going to be a good sign. And then they posted December 28th. TravelX is using Algorand to launch peer-to-peer dynamic inventory products, including Smart Buyback and Smart Flight Swap with major airline Viva Aerobus. And if you look at the comment section, everyone's pretty much thrilled for this. Great news. Big time. This is amazing news. Great news for all of us. And then the last thing is what they reposted December 26th. And this is Chain Trail. So after a lot of work, we managed to release our new developers insights right before 2023 ends. One dashboard to immediately see the state of Algorand on basis of developer activity. Currently tracking roughly 2,500 active Algo repositories and improving. Now you can easily stay up to date on most starred Algorand projects, how often a project is forked, amount of developers building on Algorand, get insights on when a project was last active, and then search through the repo list to see how your favorite projects are doing. Now, I love to see something like this because it's going to overall provide a lot more transparency. And oftentimes when you have a transparent project, investors love to see that. But now we'll go over some macro news that could affect Algorand's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to Algorand. So this is Watcher Guru's Twitter. And the first thing is they just posted 13 hours ago that Bitcoin has broken 45,000. And while I'm recording this, it's at 45.5. So that is big news to see. And they posted 19 hours ago, Galaxy CEO and spot Bitcoin ETF applicant says big things are coming. Now, could this be part of the reason that Bitcoin is pumping? Could it be that the Bitcoin spot ETFs are about to get approved? Only time will tell. But you guys have to remember the supposed approval date for these ETFs is January 5th through January 10th of 2024, which is right around the corner. And remember, these ETFs could help bring trillions of dollars to the industry, as the older generations who have most of the money don't have to worry about self-custody. Instead, they can essentially treat Bitcoin like a mutual fund in the stock market, and they will have a third party manage their assets. So definitely keep your eyes on these ETFs. And then the last thing is what they posted December 30th. On December 6th, JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon said he would close down Bitcoin and crypto if he were the government. And then just yesterday, BlackRock named JP Morgan as an authorized participant for its spot Bitcoin ETF. I cannot stress enough, it is critical that you watch what these people do rather than listen to what they say, because everything they are saying is a misdirection. And so many times do they have hidden agendas. So anytime you see super negative news, just ask yourself a question. Are they trying to manipulate price action? Because oftentimes that is what they are trying to do. But now for the final part of this video, I'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Algorand on the daily time frame. Now I'll go ahead and delete this previous flag I had drawn just so I can clear some things up. Okay, so what am I seeing on Algorand right now? It actually looks very similar to the H-bar trade that I posted in my Discord. So Algorand has formed a potential bull flag, which break up 68% of the time, and this has a measured move to about 28.5 cents. Now what I love to see is that price action is currently using the 21-day moving average as support. That usually is a very telling sign to me that we might get a break to the upside. Not to mention the stochastics have also completely reset. And then yeah, you might look at the RSI and say it's a little bit overbought. However, if you look at price action, we swing from a lower low to a higher low. The RSI swings from a higher low to a lower low, which is Class A bullish divergence, which typically signals a local bottom has been reached. So overall, right now, I actually think Algorand looks very good on the daily time frame, and I would not fault you at all for wanting to take this trade. So if you do decide to take this trade, the one thing that I would be watching personally is the 21-day moving average. If price action were to break beneath it and then have a bearish retest, I would shift bearish in the short term. But as long as price action stays above the 21-day moving average, again, I wouldn't be shocked if this breaks to the upside. Now, lastly, I'll go over Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. Now, what's interesting about Bitcoin is I have been saying it's very neutral for a long time now. Initially, I was extremely bullish on it because it was trading in a bull flag and using the 21-day moving average as support. And I said we have a measured move to over $48,000. However, I said price action needed to close a candle above 44,600 in order to avoid making a double top. And we did not do that, so I said I wouldn't be shocked if we had a little bit of a downtrend. And then the downtrend started to form. So then in my most recent videos, I was talking about how price action was trading beneath the 21-day moving average. So because of that, I might be a little bit bearish. However, similar to Algorand, if you look at price action, we swing from a lower low to a higher low. The RSI swings from a higher low to a lower low, which is Class A bullish divergence. So I said because we had a very strong Class A bullish divergence, I wouldn't be shocked if we broke to the upside. And that did end up happening. But I still want to be clear, I will not be bullish in Bitcoin unless we actually close a candle above these previous levels at 44,600. If we cannot do that, then you might want to look for more downside. But if we do end up closing above 44,600, then this measured move might end up playing out, and we might see a $48,000 Bitcoin. But also, as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So if all of a sudden the Bitcoin spot ETFs were to get approved, that could skyrocket the entire market, and technical analysis goes right out the window. On the contrary, if they get rejected or something terrible happens, that can tank the entire market. So just understand, in the short term, crypto is going to be extremely volatile. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Algorand will go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.